Hello world. In this video we are going to create a circular list view or a wheel view where items can rotate around a fixed point. So first of all we'll add the required dependency in a build.gradle file. So compile but.
So Gradle came up with a new way of declaring your dependencies. Compile is now deprecated and it's replaced by two new configurations, either API or implementation.
Okay, so implementation and then Control V, and then let me just sync this project. Okay, it's done. Now let's jump to our XML code and remove this text view. So we will add the wheel view and the height and width, and let's just give it an ID, wheel view, and then we'll add the radius of the wheel, that will be the background. Let's just make it 180 dp, and then wheel color, which will be the color of the background. Let's make it dark gray, and then we will add the item radius. This will be the radius of each item present on that wheel, and then repeat items, let's make it true, and then selection angle. Okay, so selection angle is for setting the position, then that angle at which the selected item will be highlighted on the wheel. So now let's go to a Java file. So first we will create an object of class WheelView and now an array of strings that will hold the value of the colors. And now let's initialize our WheelView object. So for typecasting, WheelView, now find view by id r.id.wheelView. Let's set the number of items for our wheel view. So set wheel item count, let's give it a size. So let's create a variable size that will be equal to 6 and set wheel item count size. So now let's set an adapter to a wheel view object which will return a drawable and the count. And now let's create a shape drawable array which will consist the shape, and here we are taking the oval shape and we are coloring that oval shape from our colors array. So return shape drawable of that particular position and return size, that is 6. And in the end, let's set on wheel item click listener to register the click events on those items. So this looks all good. Now let's run our app.